Hey, what's up, y'all? Tito's Trades here. Welcome to my desktop. Today is June 22nd, 2026. As you can see, the market has a lot of volatility. I took a nice little long there just for some upward continuation. And when the market is very volatile like this, I try to keep my size controlled, right? I'll take 1 to 2 contracts unless I see it's a high probability setup and something that I can benefit from, right? Like if it's a nice move, then I go with it. And like I've mentioned before in the past, right? I'm a momentum trader. I do have my levels that I like. That's why you see lines on the chart. However, the market wants to go up, let's go up, right? If the market wants to go down, we'll write it down. Whatever the market gives me, I take. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't read into any kind of indicators or anything like that, right? I take what the price action is showing me and I go from there. You see right here, I took a trade. I added 4 contracts to it. I had a stop, as you can see, as I always do. I got wicked out of 3 of them, which is kind of a bummer, right? Because this would have been a fantastic trade. I could have easily been over $400 winner. And now something that I'm working on to get better for myself are these subsequent follow-on trades after I have a big winner. Oftentimes I'll get into something not prematurely, but with the pretenses that I think we're going to get more continuation on that initial move. And I didn't quite get it on this one, right? Especially after an exponential move, I have to be a little more disciplined and sit on my hands. And so I have a sell stop order right there in case the market wants to break down below 307.69. But again, I am a momentum trader. Whatever it gives me, I take. And so right here, I like what I'm seeing. I take along, risk being at 308.40. And I do like it, right? Always want to add to winners. If I see that there's an opportunity, as I mentioned, I don't just arbitrarily add to trades or do things on random. It may seem that way, but I promise I'm not built that way. There's a there's a system to my madness, right? There's some reason to it, some, not always. And so there we are, got that nice trailing stop set in place, and we get wicked out there, right? Which is kind of a bummer because I was hoping for the break of the higher days, what I really wanted, a retest of the 30900 level. And you can see right here, I do think we're going to get some continuation. So I get in a trade for a quick scalp. Overall, it was a great day of trading. I took 29 trades, made $365 before commissions, 332 take home. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.